afternoon, friends.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to present here with me Praveen for front of you. Today we are gathered here for public speaking, and today is my fantastic topic that name is a disaster and its manager. We know that what is a disaster, why is that human speaks slowly. Human gets a bad effect of that. That is a disaster. In that disaster, there are more steps like that family, cloud burst, flood, and volcano eruption, and a tsunami. Just like that, Sahil. First of all, I would like to tell about that family. Means I will give that short definition in which the period in which we don't have storage. We don't have storage of foods and water. That is called as famine. It is a very difficult time for the humanity, because at that time we don't have water supply also, and food supply also. At that time the rate of grain it goes to increase, so that is a bad thing of that family. And next is their cloud force. We know that when the rain is coming, in some situations there are more much big clouds. They come together, and by that by that they got more much help. That we know that tsunami, that is a types of cloud burst. Due to that, more much people they are getting very harm. Just like that, their houses got fall, and their vehicles, just like that, their properties got damaged. So that is that's also a disaster. And how to we should manage this? For that manage that. If the cloud burst has happened, so then we should go for the two and three buildings, just like that. 2 to 3 floors will be there. So we should go on there, and we should take that supply that we need in that condition. So we can manage that, and in that period, just like the disaster management team will come, and we have to support them. So that is also the by that also we can manage that disaster. And next will be the volcano eruption. We know that volcano eruption is very biggest bad thing due to that volcano eruption. To a volcano eruption, we know that numerous types of disasters come just like that. The earthquake comes by that, and earthquake comes due to that overflow of seawater also. So in that situations, earthquake if comes, so at that time we should go to safe place, just like that ground, on that we should sleep. So just like that we can save that, we can manage that disaster. At my last conclusion is that we should try to manage that disaster, because it comes everywhere, and by the anything it can become. So, and one last I want to tell that we know that there is one specific days for disaster ration. That day's name is 13 October. Thank you.